2020 Toyota Corolla hatchback, SC 2.0, 4-cylinder. This is what it sounds like before. Here's sound decibels. Right at 82 again. You can barely hear it. One more. I'll let you guys hear it out. 2020 Toyota Corolla hatchback. As you guys can see right there, really clean. Got factory converter up here, a main one up top, a secondary there. Then we had a resonator on it, we took it off. Then we factory pipe, we added more pipe to it. Took that gigantic muffler, I'll show you guys in a second, and put a center outlet just to make it look cool. I think it looks awesome. That's how they should have came, as you guys can see right there. Dual tip out the back. We'll try to get you guys a link for it. It's 4-inch outlets on the tips right there. There's a gigantic muffler that was on it, and there's a gigantic the baby resonator that was on it. Muffler, resonator, they come dual, they come center in, offset, as you guys can see. So that looks a lot better. Now he's got some exhaust coming out the back. So please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Oh, wow. Let's see his reaction. Do that again. Yeah. Sound decibels. Yeah. 2.0. Back it out. 2020 Toyota Corolla hatchback. That's a perfect look. Look at this. That's one of the best sounding I heard yet. Wow, that's awesome. Let you guys hear it on the inside. This sounds phenomenal. 2020 Toyota Corolla hatchback, straight pipe with the dual tip. Still here.